What's going on, everybody? It is day 2, start of day 2. Once again, it's Christopher Yags, Aquascapes of Michiana. I'm tired. My body's sore. I hurt really bad. But that's not going to stop me from showing you what we've done. So, right behind me, we got the Cat 308. Somewhere over here. Where'd he go? Where's Damien Drager? There's the two Damiens right. Hey, Damien and Damien! There's the two Damiens right there. The one on the left's the evil one. The one on the right is the cool one. Sorry, just kidding. Just kidding! But, so, let me go ahead and flip this thing around and show you guys what's going on. So, when we ended last night, we got this thing pretty much exactly where we wanted it. We were a couple inches above where our target goal was, but we thought we'd hit it with that bucket. This morning, we had this little bit over here kind of cave in. So we're Austin, Baloo, Ed's son, Austin say hey, and my boy Aiden here. They are back in the hole right now. We're kind of getting it fixed up. We're getting a little bit of water in off that edge right there. I'm pretty sure that's not coming from the pond, but right in this area where the excavator is sitting, I put a whole bunch of muck and water over here, digging all that stuff out yesterday, and I'm pretty sure that's what that water is. But our berm is held up, even though I almost destroyed it yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen who have never ran an excavator, if I can give you one tip and one tip only, know where your bucket is at all times. Yesterday, I was dumping some dirt over there in that pile, and I've been doing it 20, 30, 40 times, and I thought I was at the right level, but my excavator track sank into the mud further than what I had realized, and I come swinging over to get more dirt, and I'm watching for the guys in the hole, and I'm not paying attention to my bucket. My bucket hit that berm right there and almost sent all of that water into that hole right there. And it would have been right where that board's touching is exactly where I hit. I was trying to watch for the two guys to make sure they were okay and that, you know, I wasn't going to injure or potentially kill them in the hole, and I wasn't watching my bucket, and I swung over and just went boom! Almost destroyed the whole project right there. So, even though I am a master CAC, we still make mistakes. We're still human. Like I said, if I can give you guys one piece of advice, it is always watch your bucket, know where it is, and watch for the people around you, okay? Safety first, because if you show up to a job site, you should be able to leave a job site with the same number of extremities and pieces that you showed up with. So, we're gonna get to work. So, see you guys later. Bye. It is the time of truth. We got our gravel in the hole, and actually, great thing about it is we got our gravel in a hole, and as soon as we got everything set, ready to go, the truck showed up with our new vault. Let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy right here. Being told by Ed that this is a 16,000 pound vault. And this guy right here from Utility Concrete is going to be craning. He's going to back this in next to the hole, and he's actually going to crane it in with that crane sitting right there. But this is our vault. That is where all of our water is going to go, and that's going to pump to the top of that waterfall. Stay tuned. This is going to be awesome.
All right, our concrete pump vault is installed. I feel a lot better. It's always nice to get this thing in the ground because of unstable soil conditions. We don't want stuff collapsing in. So once this is in place, now we're in a much safer place. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna come in with our backfill material. The stuff that we dug out, piled up on the side, that's gonna be brought in on 3 of the sides. We're gonna fill it up halfway first. So we'll start working our way systematically around the edge. This front section, we're gonna hold off on backfilling with soil. I wanna get river rock, I wanna get that crushed stone all the way up to the bottom of that knockout. The knockout area, that's where our 15-inch intake is gonna be connected to. So once we have everything stabilized, we'll knock that out. Then we're gonna have a small stub of pipe with our shutoff valve. So the shutoff valve is gonna be mounted on the outside edge. That's gonna allow us to stop all the water from the lake from going inside of the vault. This will allow for easy maintenance. So whenever you're working in a flooded situation like this, so this is a wet vault, it's gonna have water in it all the time. To go in there to do work, to do maintenance, to clean out the pump, it's a pain in the butt because we cannot lower the water level in this lake. So what we do is we have a shutoff valve, can drain it out, we can clean all that stuff, get sludge, whatever we need to on a yearly basis. So we have a little bit of a challenge here still. Once that little stub of pipe is in, then we have to make a connection into that trough that we dug yesterday. So remember yesterday we dug a 42-inch deep trough. It's going out about 15 feet into the lake. That 42-inch depth is to the bottom of that 15-inch pipe. So that's gonna give us enough water on top of the pipe to make sure that we have adequate water going to the submersible pump to make sure that that waterfall continues to run seamlessly.
What's up, everybody? Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Guess what? We got our vault in. It came in, we got it, it's beautiful. It's level! First shot, level! That hardly ever happens when you're not dealing with a master CAC and a living legend like Ed Ballou. So, just go ahead and show you guys this thing. Look at that. That's 16,000 pounds of concrete. And we craned it in with this bad boy right here. We're seeing if we can pick up the lid with the Cat 308. And that is where, we're gonna cut a hole right there so all the water can come in here. There's gonna be a pump that's gonna sit in here that's gonna pump 750 gallons a minute through our plumbing here, so that way it will flow that waterfall right there. We are on day number 2. You can kind of see behind me. We got things going, we got things rolling, we are rocking. And this thing is about to get backfilled, cut open. We're gonna release the water into it, and we're probably, hopefully, gonna get this thing flowing tonight. But yeah, so I gotta get back to work. I gotta get back in that machine so we can get this thing done. Bye.